Good, no doubt about it. Hey, Taz, man, we bad. Good morning, Taz.
Got the hammer down, Yardbird. Hey, Yardbird, you got the hammer down. No doubt, 122, state of Maine, trying to let you know.
Hello up there around Maine. Didn't get the 28. Come on.
Hey, Yardbird, you got 122? 122, state of Maine, waving.
Hey, right back, 122. The best of conditions, man. Usually hear you 30 over. But, hey, nothing to worry. Hey, 122, I'm waving it right back. Hold everything well and throw around your stack of bricks. 122, Maine, Yardbird, right back. Come on.
No, Yardbird, we're going to make it a little bit easier on your ears this go around, no doubt about it. We just added a few more whiskeys. Hey, Yardbird, just want to bump it down real quick and let you know you got a talk show rolling into Maine, sounding loud and proud, no doubt. Hey, Yardbird, keep that talk show alive. We're getting you on your gates, no doubt. Hey, Yardbird, bring it on back to Maine.
Hey, no strain, no pain, man. No pain, 122, you got it going on right there, right now. 122, I appreciate you striking that mic down here around the hills of 10 this morning. Happy holiday weekend to you and yours. 122, Yardbird, pulling back, I'll see you.
Right back at you, Yardbird, right back at you. Definitely good hearing you rolling into Maine. Definitely good hearing you rolling into Maine. Keep that talk show alive. We're going to slide back to the side and just listen to your old big old talk show. You're sounding real good. Got some real good Mother Nature. Hope you and yours had yourself a good turkey day, and we'll put it on you later, no doubt. Hey, Yardbird, always a pleasure. 122 Maine, getting out of the road. Just go around. Click, click.
Click, click, 122, you're rocking and rolling down here in the hills. 122, Yardbird, pulling back, I'll see you. Have a good day. I'll reckon it 120. Down to you, 122, Snake Doctor.
Gonna put a quick wave at you, Snake Doctor, no doubt about it. You should really set your microphone down, but hey, Snake Doctor, sounding good up here in Maine, no doubt. Old Mother Nature's got you lined right up, no doubt. Hey, Snake Doctor, 122 waving.
Yeah, I let Yardbird get through with his talk show. 122, I had to let my neighbor Yardbird get through with his talk show there. I can't do it now. Anyway, good morning, talk to you. 2020, rubbing to the weekend also. Hey, 122 in Maine, your friend is in. Snake Doctor with the morning. Hey, quiet.
Got it all, Snake Snake Doctor. Got it all good hearing you out there, no doubt. You take care. 122 sliding out of the road. Just go around. Bye-bye.
Somebody up there around Lake Erie coming out in a head to talk to me. Good morning, talk to you up there around Lake Erie. Snake Doctor in 10, back reading the mail. Operator around Lake Erie, Snake Doctor in 10, back quiet.